Canal beneath the Nile's crushing sands sits a hidden engine whispering secrets to anyone who will listen. Kurulum, the air around forgotten temples carries a cold resonance, and ancient glyphs flicker like a malfunctioning compass guiding only a few. Durnum Noktasi, what if the so-called archive is a trap that implants memories to steer our view of the past? Kurulum, the twist unsettles viewers as rival factions claim the engine was built to rewrite history in quiet, irreversible ways. Sun Sirs Soru, if this hidden mechanism exists, who benefits and what memories will they erase next from human history?